Hey guys, welcome back, and in this latest video I'm just going to show you that how to remove a post from your particular collection. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more, and then keep watching because it will help you much more. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile section. In the profile section, just tap on the three lines you can see on the top right corner, and then tap on saved to go to the collection which you have made it. So then here select a particular collection from which you want to remove a post. Then in that collection it will show you all of the posts which you have added to that collection, and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner, and then tap on select, and then select a particular post, or you can select the multiple posts which you want to remove from your particular collection, and then just simply tap on remove from saved, and then tap on remove to continue. So that's how you can remove a post or a reel from a particular collection on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I would recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen.